Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Today on Voro, we're talking about a surprise in the U.S. stock market. Instead of falling, three major indices rose in September. The S&P 500 index gained 27.25 points, the Nasdaq Composite increased by 68.86 points, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose by 81.82 points, setting new records. These gains come despite concerns about a potential U.S. government shutdown, which is set to start on October 1st. But investors don't think it will have a major impact on the market, at least not in the short term. The market has largely priced in the risk of a shutdown, and sentiment remains relatively stable. But what's driving this resilience? According to experts, defensive sectors like healthcare and consumer staples are leading gains. Healthcare stocks, in particular, have performed well thanks to Pfizer's announcement of reduced Medicaid drug prices for low-income groups. The Dow Jones Transportation Index, however, has come under pressure due to declines in airline stocks. The individual stock scene is also telling us something. Chipmaker Wolfspeed saw its shares surge after exiting bankruptcy protection, while Firefly Aerospace plummeted following the failure of its Alpha rocket test. On the other hand, software stocks like Nvidia strengthened on news that its partner CoreWeave had reached a $14.2 billion AI cloud infrastructure agreement with Meta. Now, let's talk about what this means for the market going forward. If the shutdown extends beyond 2 weeks, concerns will escalate rapidly. But for now, investors are cautiously optimistic. As Adam Crisafulli from Vital Knowledge puts it, the market broadly anticipates that a shutdown will occur, so sentiment remains relatively stable. So, what's behind this unusual resilience in the U.S. stock market? We can't pinpoint a single reason, but one thing is clear. The market has laid a solid foundation for the upcoming fourth quarter. And with the Federal Reserve keeping an eye on inflation and economic growth, investors will be watching closely to see how things play out. That's all for today on Voro. Thanks for tuning in.